Where President Bola Tinubu says the national identification number must become the key that unlocks every service, opportunity and platform in both the public and private sectors. Represented by Secretary to the Government of the Federation, George Akume, at the National Day of Identity celebrations, President Tinubu stressed that his administration remains fully committed to enforcing the mandatory regulation for NIN. Sifani Sen was there.
It's the 7th edition of the National Day of Identity celebrations. The National Identity Management Commission organized this event to highlight the importance of legal identity as a fundamental human right and a key to inclusive development.
It is important we acknowledge that around 850 million people do not have the basic identification they need globally. And this is according to the World Bank 2021 estimate, with nearly 500 million of those without basic proof of identity living in sub-Saharan Africa, and 47% are children who are not registered at birth.
With the theme, Public Key Infrastructure, Backbone to Digital Public Infrastructure, the federal government says it is building an ecosystem where trust is guaranteed, fraud is reduced, services are streamlined, and every citizen can engage with government and private institutions with confidence.
We must therefore ensure that our identity systems secured by PKI are trusted both at home and abroad. This is how we build confidence in our systems, attract investment, and ensure that our citizens are able to engage seamlessly in a globalized digital economy. As President, I reaffirm my administration's commitment to these goals. But government cannot do it alone. Achieving a truly robust identity ecosystem requires collaboration. We must deepen harmonization across agencies, strengthen partnerships with the private sector, and expand cooperation with international partners.
Nigeria is a signatory to global commitments on digital public infrastructure.
Yes, we're on a long journey. We're not yet where we want to be. But as I always say, the good thing is we are not where we were. There's progress. We've made progress in terms of our identity journey. Yes, there's a lot yet to be done. Of course, Rome wasn't built in a day.
Reports indicate that a secure and trusted identity system holds several benefits, including greater inclusion, better planning, stronger financial systems, reduced criminal exploitation, and more effective protection. For the Commission, it goes beyond enrolling more than 123 million Nigerians and safeguarding their digital identities to empowering students and women. Sifon Asian, TVC News, Abuja.